What's up everyone, this is Tia Kirby. I want to take you on a journey with me using the Exotic Kool-Aid collection from the Maine Choice. So this video is for all my 90s music lovers, my curly girls, my fly girls who love to live in color and love beautiful, healthy, shiny hair.
How you living? What? How you living? And live in color. You can do what you want. Live in color.
As I mentioned before, we'll be using the Exotic Kool-Aid collection by the Maine Choice, which you can find at your local Walgreens. So let me get my robe on and let's get this party started. I gotta give a quick shout out to the Maine Choice for partnering with me for this video. The first product in this Exotic Kool-Aid collection that we'll be using from the Maine Choice is the Minty, Guava, and Kiwi shampoo. Can we show a little love to this nozzle on this bottle? It was designed so that you can apply it directly to your scalp, which is how it should be. So no more pouring it in your hands, spilling it all in the shower. It lathers up like a dream. It gives a nice tingling sensation to the scalp. It's formulated with aloe vera juice, which I love, and you see it lathers up like a dream. So no mess, and it's so bomb. So much so that I left it on my hair for about 5 minutes, and I can't even tell you how great it smells. So of course, you know I love to wash my hair in sections. So using the Maine Choice clips, I was able to wash my hair in sections and also pin it, and this is my hair after it rinsed out, and it feels so nice. Next up, we are going in with the fresh mango and passion fruit mask, which I want to mention that all of the products in this line are infused with biotin and vitamin D and E. This deep conditioner, this mask, y'all, it smells so good, like ridiculous, and it is so freaking creamy. It literally melts into my hair and left my hair feeling like silk. It literally feels like you're rubbing silk on your hair. And this mask includes such great ingredients such as aloe vera juice, glycerin, shea butter, lavender, biotin. Can I go on and on? So I'm going to leave it on my hair for about 15 minutes, covering it up with the Maine Choice cap. And can we say yes to a cap that actually fits your hair? Of course, I set under heat for about 20 to 30 minutes and read through my magazine, and this is the result. Listen. Do you see my hair is so thick, so shiny and moisturized and soft? Not only soft to the touch, because you can tell it looks soft and it smells amazing. Now that my curls are juicy and in that pre-pop stage, that means they're popping before they're popping, we're going to again section my hair off, but this time 3 sections on each side. Following up with the Exotic Kool-Aid Sweet Papaya and Pineapple Infinite Conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is so creamy, melts into my hair like a dream, and makes the tangling so freaking easy. Let me tell you the first 5 ingredients: water, glycerin, aloe vera juice, pineapple fruit extract, and papaya fruit extract. So you know it keeps getting better, right? We're gonna follow the leave-in up with the Exotic Kool-Aid Lucious Lychee and Dragon Fruit Definition of Definition Jello, hunty. Listen, a little bit of this goes a long way, and it smooths into my hair like a dream and defines my curls on impact. It is so bomb. Look at my curls. That's only like 5 minutes after having it in. I don't even know if it's a full 5 minutes. And it also smells amazing. And you know the true test is on these edges, so I'm going to show you the performance, laying it on my edges just with my fingers. You can see it's already laying them down. Then I'm going to follow up with an edge gel brush. What I like about this gel is not a tacky gel. It doesn't feel sticky. It's not super heavy, and it just glides in my hair. And best of all, it works perfect with the conditioner. As you can see, no conditioner boogers, as I call them. Look, before, after. Yeah. True to form, I let my hair air dry overnight. When it was damp, I put it in a pineapple and slept in my Maine Choice bonnet. Taking that off, I'm going to shake my hair out, but before we fluff, I'm going to go in with the Maine Choice shears. These are so bomb. They are so sharp, cut with such great precision, and I am a strong believer in trimming your ends so that you have the healthiest hair and the best length retention. Now that my ends are trimmed, let's go in and add shine and smooth out these curls using the Exotic Kool-Aid Mellow, Melon, and Nectarine Melted Shine Oil. As you can see, a little bit on the hands, rubbing it in my palms and fluffing out my curls adds the perfect amount of shine and loosens up my curls, giving me a nice, fluffy, shiny, healthy flow. My hair feels so soft and so good. Love, love, love. And this oil smells amazing too. Again, all of the products in this line, in this collection, are infused with biotin and vitamin D and E. This oil specifically contains things like fruit oil, soybean oil, almond oil, and aloe vera juice, and so much more. As you can see, these are my curls after applying the oil, and my hair is shiny, not oily, not weighed down. It just feels so nice, and my hair has life and is full of body. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So as you can see, I had a little bit of frizz from fluffing, and then my hair was a little damp at the top and my curls went kaput. So I'm going to show you using this line how I refresh them. I'm spritzing a little bit of water on my bangs in the front area where it got frizzy, and applying a little bit of the Lucious, Lychee, and Dragon Fruit Definition Jello. And after diffusing, this is what my curls look like. They're defined, and the gel brought my curls right back to life. Hey! So now let's create a style. I'm now going in with the leave-in conditioner, just a little bit of it, and I spritz my hair with water, just the base of it. And now I'm smoothing my hair up as if I'm gonna put it in a ponytail, then applying a little bit of the Jello at the nape of my neck and on those edges. Now listen, this will prove how great this gel is if it can smooth out those curlies at the back of the neck, yes. So I'm just gonna twist. We're gonna do that old school 90s pompadour. Y'all remember that when you just did they call it a French roll? I don't know, but we're gonna just twist it up in the back and then use my Maine Choice bobby pins to pin it all in place. And that's all you need for this style. Just your hands, some water, a little leave-in, a little bit of this Jello, and you are all set. And I'm smoothing it up using my edge brush and a little bit of the gel just to make it all cohesive. And this is the final look. Super simple, super cute, super classy, and super easy. Hope you enjoyed both hairstyles, my 90s inspired updo, and of course my wash and go with bangs. If you want to find out more of how I trim my ends and shape my hair, then click the card up above or click the link in the description box. Of course, you can find the Exotic Kool-Aid collection by the Maine Choice at your local Walgreens. Make sure that you follow them on Instagram at the Maine Choice and follow me at Tia Kirby. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment below. Let me know which style was your favorite and which product from the line is your favorite. Thanks again for watching. I love you all.